Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm here returning back to Bethel for quite some time. UPMC Oxford Drive, where they have two newer version Schneider elevators here at Bethel Park, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm ready to hop on to one of their two elevators. This one is double door sliding opening here, and this one is single. These replaced old version of Schneider elevators, so I'm going to do a revisit on this one. And plus, I had to complete work business and do some add some appointments. So it's gonna be this one. You have Schneider. So I'm gonna hit to one more for you guys. I'm gonna hit to two for you guys, and then after I get hit to one. After I get done with G. All right, enjoy. Sorry, my camera's a little blurry. My phone's all dirty because something's going on with my phone. All right. So hold on a second. There we go. We're at number G for you guys. Alright. Leave the door open up. So yeah, that's the revisit of Dover Marshall, Schneider, newer version Schneider elevator that replaced the old Schneider elevator here at Bethel Park UPMC at Bethel Park, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. That being said, thank you for watching, and that is all. Alright, see ya. Bye.